I'm turning my lights off, I'm saving energy, and I'm doing the things that are recommended, but my electric bill is not going down. So why am I not saving money? Why am I not saving energy? I'm using this. I go to the store and I buy less items, but the stuff still comes up to the same amount or close to the same amount. So why is it when I'm trying to save money, it don't seem like I'm saving money? What am I doing wrong? Well, let's get into that. There's a lot of things about saving money. The number one thing you need to remember when saving money, I would get to later in the video. It's the number one thing that almost everybody forgets. So, let's talk about, are you turning your lights off in your house more? Are you unplugging things when you're not using them? Are you turning your TV off when you're not using it? Are you using your fans more? Turning your thermostat down on the AC or up or whatever, where it's not using as much electric? Did you change the temperature in the fridge? Have you done all this and don't seem like it's making any difference on your bill? We'll get to that. Why it's probably not making a difference on your bill. We will get to that. You go to the store, you only buy 2 bottles of pop instead of 3. You buy store name brand instead of store brand. And it seems like your bill still comes up to roughly the same amount. So why is that? Are you using coupons? Did you buy stuff that's not on sale this time and buy stuff that was on sale last time? There's several factors that play a part in saving money. No matter how you're trying to save money at the grocery store, like I just said. Did you buy stuff last time that was on sale and buy stuff this time that's not? Did you go hungry and buy stuff that you don't really need? Are you picking up candy at the checkout line because it looks good when you really don't need it, but it's there and appetizing? Are you doing all these things and frustrated because you're doing what people say to cut back on energy and save money and using coupons and still spending the same amount or maybe even more at the grocery store, doing your laundry at night and not making no difference on the electric bill? Well, the one thing that a lot of people do not take into account is you have to look at the big picture. It might not look like you're saving money, but are you comparing the prices this month to last month? Did your electric rate go up? If it did, that's where you saved your money. It don't look like it because you still pay the same amount. But if you didn't turn your lights off as much as you have, or change your thermostat or start using fans, your electric bill will be more, but it's not. So a lot of times it don't look like we're saving money because the prices of things go up. So the more we try to save, it looks like the more we're spending, which sometimes might be true. That's why saving, like I say, has a lot of different factors you have to take into effect. Like when you go to the store, are you buying stuff that is on sale or not? Are you using coupons or not? Are you going hungry and not sticking to the list because you're hungry? So the number one thing is to remember when saving money, it might not look like you're saving money because you're still paying the same amount. But that's because the prices of stuff go up so fast that most people don't realize it or really even think about it. They just look at the total amount. And that's why it's so important, especially when you're trying to save money, to know how much you're paying for this or how much you're paying for that. Because the more you know how much you're paying for certain things, the more you know and figure out how to make a budget and save more by doing different things. So if you find this video enlightening, please hit that like and subscribe to stay tuned for further videos. See you on the next video.